Let's get to Cheryl Casone. We're expecting 490,000 jobs added to the economy. A March jobs report is out. Cheryl, take it away.
All right, we're looking at a couple of numbers right now. Maria, really quick, let me get to this. Non-farm payrolls, 431,000. That is a little bit weaker than expected, 431,000. And again, that is a little bit weaker than expected. As for the U6, the underemployment rate, 6.9%. Let's get to earnings. Average hourly earnings, all private workers, a gain of 0.4%. That is in line. The U6 rate coming in at 6.9%. The jobless rate, 3.6%, a little bit weaker than expected, 3.6% for the jobless rate. Again, that is the main numbers we're looking at here. No revisions for February. No revisions for February. Again, just to be clear here, the average work week down 0.1 hour to 34.6. That's interesting as well. Private payrolls coming in weaker than expected, 426,000 on the March jobs report, excuse me. All right, let's get to manufacturing, 30,000. 30,000 on manufacturing. I gave you private payrolls, 480. And again, that is coming in, private payrolls coming in at 426, weaker than expected, 431,000 on non-farm. Unemployment rate, 3.6%, a little bit weaker than expected. 38,000 on manufacturing. We were looking for 30, so that's better than expected as well. Now, to those average hourly earnings year over year, John Lonsky was just talking about this. We came in at 5.6%. That is a little bit better than expected, folks, a little bit better. As for those work week hours, 34.6. We were looking for 34.7. Government jobs, pretty weak. That came in at 5,000 jobs. Labor force participation. Now, this is going to be really interesting here, folks. Okay, this is actually it's a little bit better than it was for February. It's 62.4%. That is the amount of people that are employed or that are looking for work. That number coming in a little bit weaker than expected. Now going into the report itself to see where some of the growth actually did come through as far as what the Labor Department is telling us. Remember, they break down every single group, if you will. They're saying now that they saw strength in leisure hospitality. We're seeing that again as the economy is opening up. Professional and business services also seeing strength. Retail trade, they reference here, as well as manufacturing. So that are some of the highlights that they're kind of coming in right now with, as far as some of the groups that are actually coming in with strength again. Going into some of the other things that I kind of want to break down here, factory jobs coming in 38,000, specifically factory jobs coming in as well. I gave you U6, 6.9%. But again, that labor force participation rate is interesting because it's 62.4 versus what we had the month prior, which is 62.3. I think that that's kind of not what we were looking for, because that would give you a sense, folks, that you're getting more people coming in to the workforce. We're also getting some revisions right now. They just revised January and February. If you combine those 2 months, Maria, 95,000 more jobs were created than previously reported for the months of January and for February. So again, that's some of the strength that we're seeing there. As I'm going into the report specifically, folks, as you got the headline numbers on your screen right now, the number of people employed part-time for economic reasons, that was unchanged. The people that were not in the labor force, that's the number of people that were not participating, who currently want a job, that actually jumped to 5.7 million in total for the month of March. That's a gain of 382,000. As far as people that were marginally attached to the workforce, marginal attachment, 1.4 million. Telework, we talked about this last month. I want to bring this up again, okay? The 10% of people that were employed are still teleworking because of the pandemic. That is lower than the month prior, when it was at 13%. Again, these are people that at somehow, some form, whether it's full-time or part-time, are actually doing telework. Now, professional and business services, that was a gain of 102,000. In particular, buildings, dwellings, accounting, bookkeeping, and management. Those numbers were strong. And real quick, I'm going to throw out retail trade, and then I'll send it back to you guys for full reaction. Employment and retail trade, 49,000. That was the jump there. I'm still here with you. I'm still going to go through and kind of dig into this data, Maria. Back to you.
Yeah, we will get back to you once you go through all of the details there, Cheryl. Thank you.